How y'all doing? How y'all doing? My name is LJ. I'm the handsome baker with Mama for Dessert. This is my mother.
I'm Easter. I'm Spicy E. I used to be skating here all the time. So now we up here selling these delicious desserts. Come on out. Come on out. Call us up.
Yeah, so this is the 21st year for Icy Hot. We're here in Columbus, Ohio. It's a beautiful event where people from all over the country come and kick it. It's a community full of love. There's never no real problems like that. I'm an honorary member. My name is Derek. My stage name is D-Shy. It's a really beautiful thing to just see these people come out. And as you see on the shirts, so it's not just the United States. We have people from Japan, people from the UK, people from Canada. That's how big this is. That's how major this movement is. And we just love that Skateology puts us on every year, and people continue to show it love. So come on out next year.
This being my first Icy Hot, it's actually really a vibe. It's a chill vibe. Everyone's on that kind of great energy, and it's not too much negativity. It's all positive, laughs, just a great time. No, listen, I don't even skate like that, and mind you, if I come back, I'm gonna know how to skate. Period.
My name is D-Styles. I'm with the same group. Y'all know I'm always in with. Thank you. Skateology, always. Thank you. The only one, the biggest one, the bestest one. Thank you. We are at Icy Hot. It's our 21st, and it's my 21st.
Hey!
So, it's overly loaded. Thank you. Thank you. You know we sisters to everybody. Literally, big sister, big brothers to everybody. Our group is the biggest group. Yeah.
DJ Hop, Ohio Vice President of CCP, what up? We in Skateology, Icy Hot 2026, what up? That hotspot blackout day party, lit. If you wasn't there, we're gonna do it again next year.
Don't miss it.
It's gonna be bigger, it's gonna be better. I love Icy Hot. I've been a part of Icy Hot for almost 10 years. DJing, providing sound, doing whatever I can. I love this event. I love putting on for my home state in the Midwest. Sorry, Carter. Icy Hot 2026. Brand ambassador of Family Ties Apparel, man. We right here, right in the city, man. Going on 6 years. My brother Darnay started this brand about 6 years ago during 2020. Went from t-shirts to what you kind of see right now. So if y'all from Columbus, tap in with us, man. Family Ties Apparel.
Skate family, both fine there, at the rail. Starting I'm going to put some important information out for you. We are here at the 2026 Icy Hot Skate Jam. I say that again. Here in Columbus, Ohio, the world has come. Outside these doors, man, the world is here, baby. They waiting to come in and ride rails. They are here. This is not a game. If you're not here, you can't be mad at nobody but yourself. This is an anti-inflammatory event. That means that you need to take those anti-inflammatories prior to your arrival. Man, Icy Hot Skateology, they at it again, man. Again, one love. Thank you for allowing us to come to Louisville. Worry about it. Accepting this invitation. We're here to ride rails, baby. The rail starts now.
I'm Tay Wu, member of Trendsetters. Welcome to 2026 Icy Hot. I rep my squad. I'm privileged to be in this squad. Been in this squad since 07. Established in 06. So that lets you know how long I've been family. Due to this man right here, the founder of this great brother, I ain't gonna say brother, family. This is family, you know what I'm saying? My brother B1.
What's going on? I'm B1, founder and president of the Trendsetters. This is 20 years for us. 21 years for the Icy Hot 2026. You know what I'm saying? So it's timeless. It's legendary. I'm honored to be here. Thank you, Skateology, for having us. Always. It's
always a pleasure. Always.
An amazing time. It's been an amazing journey. Thank you.
What it do? It's your boy, Mr. Southern Roll. I am. I think this is my third, fourth year at Icy Hot. Man, the livest shit of the year. Shout out to Peaches, man. I've been rocking with Peaches about 20 years. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, Southern Roll, Memphis in May. May 15th through the 17th. It's the 10th annual Southern Roll Skate Affair, man. You can follow us, Southern Roll _Memphis on Instagram and SouthernRollMemphis.com for all your information for the No Sleep Weekend. One love to you, man.